Hello everyone and welcome. Today we are going to learn how to make a Walt Disney World dining reservation via mobile phone. Let's get started. First, you will need to open the Walt Disney World app. When you do, locate the bottom toolbar and the circle with a plus sign inside of it. When you tap that, you will then look for the choice that says Check Dining Availability. Once you have located the box that says Check Dining Availability, it will then ask you, if you have not done yet, sign into your Disney account. If you have already signed into your Disney account, then you can move on to the next question it will give, which is how many people will be dining. Once you determine how many people in your party will be dining, then you will select the date of when you want to dine. After you select the date, then you will be asked what time you want to make the dining reservation for. It will give a couple of general options like morning, afternoon, or evening, or you can select all day and that will give you more times, as well as all of the restaurants located around Walt Disney World Resort. If you have a certain restaurant in mind, then you will locate the filters button. After you tap the filters button, then you will locate the general area where your restaurant is located. I want to make a reservation for Kona Cafe, so I will locate the filter for Disney's Polynesian Resort and then tap Apply. Once you locate the restaurant that you want to dine at in that general area, it will give you the times that are available at that moment for the restaurant. You tap what time you would like to dine at. Once you've selected the time you want to make your dining reservation, then the next page will showcase the details of your dining reservation, as well as ask questions if you have any dietary or accessibility requests. Once you have made your reservation requests, then it will showcase your order summary. Here is where you will review the details of your reservation, as well as contact information and payment. Once you have completed those steps and have tapped Confirm Reservation, then you have completed making a Walt Disney World dining reservation via mobile phone. If you enjoyed today's video, leave a thumbs up. And if you want to be notified for more tutorial videos like this one, consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.